Chelsea, and for today's video, it is going to be a Shopee bag collective haul. And hindi ko alam kung napanood nyo na yung iba kong Shopee hauls, pero kadalasan puro clothes and accessories lang yung pinapakita ko, mga sunnies, ganun. Bibihira ako mag-feature ng mga bags, which is why today, papakita ko sa inyo yung mga bags na nabili ko sa Shopee ever since nahilig ako mag-Shopee. It's actually low by month for me, so hindi muna ako bibili ng mga kung ano-ano. Yan, kaya naisipan ko na i-share tong mga bags na to sa inyo. I'm not sure kung madami ba to, but to give you guys an overview of the styles na i-feature ko na bags dito. It's the same kung paano ako mag-dress up. You know, merong mga days na super simple lang, na plain colors, ganon, minimalistic, classic pieces. So, meron ako mga bags that are just like that, na simple lang, and for sure, pwede mo i-pair sa kahit anong outfit. And then, of course, there are also some days na I wanna go fun and funky with, you know, the prints and colors. So, meron ako mga bags na ganun, colorful and printed. Anyway, yung mga bags pala na i-feature ko, they're less than 500 pesos. So, if you guys wanna see all of the bags that I got, then please just keep on watching. My goodness, kung may nakikita man kayong tumutulong pawis sa mukha ko, pagpasensya nyo na kasi sobrang init. Okay, so yung mga papakita ko sa inyo, hindi siya in order sa kung ano yung pinaka-favorite ko. Kung ano na lang madampot ko, chill haul na lang tayo today. So, I'm gonna start off with this handbag right here. And I super love the color of this one. Para siyang apricot na color. And actually, the reason why I got this is because of the black lining. Feel ko kasi binigyan niya ng dating itong bag na to. Here's what it looks like up close. And as you guys can see, meron siyang parang pebble style. Actually, isa pa to sa mga nagustuhan ko about this bag. I also love how it's very spacious. Yan, kung nakikita niyo yung bottom part niya, parang malaki yung space niya. So when you put stuff inside, nakatayo sila, ganon. Parang ang dali lang kumuha, ang dali maglagay. Hindi ito yung parang tatanggalin mo lahat ng gamit mo sa taas para makuha yung mga nasa ilalim, ganon. I think the only thing that I don't like about this is the strap or itong sling niya kasi it's kind of thin, it's kind of flimsy compared to the rest of the bag. Hopefully, hindi siya mapigta. So far, ano pa rin naman siya. Intact pa rin siya dun sa bag. Yeah, other than that, this is still one of my favorites. Super love ko yung design nito. The next bag that I have here is this beautiful checkerboard design na fluffy bag. Super bihira ako makagusto ng print, but checkerboard is one of the prints na super favorite ko, which is why I picked this up. And alam ko madaming fluffy bags sa Shopee, but this one, iba yung quality niya, makapal siya kahit wala siyang lining. And then, for closure, it has a Velcro. Ang ganda ng quality nito. As in, ito yung bag na ginagamit ko kapag pupunta ako ng grocery kasi parang hindi mo siya ramdam. It's very soft compared to handbags, for example, na kapag nilagyan mo ng madaming gamit, minsan nakakairita na, alam mo yun, ang bigat niya sa shoulder. And this one is just very spacious. I also really love the strap kasi it's very thick. Ang bag na to, I think, less than 220 pesos lang to. So, super mura and super ganda ng quality. As in, ayan, makapal siya kahit wala siyang lining. So, yeah, this one, I highly recommend. I super love this bag. So, the next bag that I have here is this beautiful brown cream bag. Super love the color combination. The reason why I picked this up is because it reminded me so much of the book totes, pero mini version, yung mga from Dior, from LV, ganon. Hindi ko pa afford, kaya Shopee muna tayo. So, ayun, madami pa tong color combinations, but I picked the beige and the brown color combo. I love the quilted design. It also comes with a sling, and maganda rin yung size nito. Parang sakto lang yung size niya. And then, it's also very spacious inside. Meron akong mga resibo. The only thing na hindi ko lang gusto is the strap, once again, or itong handle niya. Kasi, it's very thin, it's very flimsy. So, parang ang tamad niya. Mas maganda sana to kung nakatayo lang yung handle niya so that it looks more structured. Pero when you use this as a handbag, maganda yung itsura niya. Okay, so yung gagawin ko na lang is salit-salitan na neutral bag, tapos funky bag, colorful bag. And the next bag that I have here is another fluffy bag. It reminds me so much of Style Nanda for some reason. Parang very Korean vibes. And I super love the quality of this one. As in, kasi nung binili ko to, wala pang ratings. So, alam mo yun, nagtataka ako. Pero ang ganda kasi ng itsura niya dun sa photo na nakalist. And ang ganda ng material niya. Meron siyang lining. And then for closure, meron siyang zipper. Considering na this one is the same price as the checkerboard na fluffy bag, mas madami siyang security. Tama ba yun? Size din nito is just right. And I also love the chain. Kasi meron akong binili before na fluffy bag. Tapos yung chain niya, nako-collapse siya. So kapag ginagamit ko siya sa labas, nagugulat na lang ako nahuhulog yung bag. Nagustuhan ko yung combination netong chains and netong fluffy na material. Parang, ito kasi yung approach nito is very soft. Ganon. Tapos when you combine it with This chain, parang, alam mo yun, magkaiba sila, pero ang ganda ng dating. The next bag that I have here is pretty simple. Feel ko, baka meron na kayong ganito. Kasi ito yung unang sumikat na handbag sa Shopee, but I still got it. Alam ko madami ng printed na baguette bags na nauuso, pero you can never go wrong with a plain one. Kasi ito for sure, bagay ito sa lahat ng outfit. And the reason why I picked this up, actually, medyo iba siya. Di ko lang alam kung napansin nyo. Pero, meron siyang pa-curve dito. So, medyo iba siya. And kapag nilagyan ko pa to ng gamit, doon nyo siya mas makikita. Ito for sure, pwede mo to i-partner kahit saan. And ang ganda rin ng quality nito. Super mura lang. Parang less than 250. Okay, next ones that I have here are phone bags. And these are perfect for people na ayaw magdala ng malalaking bag. Alam mo yun, yung mga essentials lang yung gusto dala. High school ako, yung mga varsity sa amin, puro sila Nike na body bag. So, ito parang ano siya, body bag made fancy or aesthetic. Ayan, magkakaiba yung presyo nito. So, I'm gonna start off with the most affordable one or the cheapest one. And I just wanna give credits to Ashley kasi nakita ko to sa video nila ni Sean. So, ito, ano lang siya, 110 pesos or 108 pesos ata yung bili ko sa kanya. These are just phone bags. It's pretty thin, pero okay lang naman siya if you're just gonna bring your phone, your cash, mga cards, ganon kapag aalis ka lang, quick errands. I got the white one and the camel color. Super ganda ng pagka-color ng brown nito. When it comes to the quality, you kind of get what you pay for, 100 pesos. But honestly, it's not bad. Medyo manipis lang siya. And yung sling, mahaba. But yeah, honestly, for 100 pesos, it's not so bad. The next phone holder is this bag right here. So, medyo mas, ano siya, mas covered siya. And meron siyang mga zippers, ganon. Mas madami kang malalagay sa loob. And then, sa likod niya, meron din siyang mga card slots. And then, here's the front. Meron din siyang compartment. So, maybe you can put your coins here. Ganon. Tapos, dito sa loob, yung pinaka-wallet mo, yung phone mo. Yeah, this one, I really like the quality. And then, yung strap naman niya, or yung sling niya, adjustable siya. This one is from Blank New on Instagram. Nagulat ako nung nakita ko sila sa Shopee. Super favorite ko to. Sobrang in-abuse ko talaga itong phone holder or phone bag na to. Maganda yung leather nito. Ang ganda ng kulay niya. It comes in different beautiful, as in aesthetically pleasing colors. Anyway, matagal na to sa akin. I got the blue one kasi blue is one of my favorite colors. This one also has card slots. Ang kasya nga lang dito is yung phone mo lang talaga tsaka yung card mo. Tapos pwede ka rin maglagay ng cash and coins. Kasi naglalagay ako ng coins dito. Kaso nga lang dito, hindi na masyado kasya yung alcohol. But what I love about this is pwede mo siyang i-keychain dito, yung alcohol mo. Kapag meron ka neto, makakompare mo yung quality nung sa Blank New. Kasi ito makapal talaga siya. And maganda yung pagkatahi sa kanya. Maganda yung material. Next bag that I have is this beautiful zebra print na handbag. And I super love the quality of this one. Kasi ano siya, para siyang canvas na material. Minsan kasi kapag bumibili ako ng mga leather, fake leather na bag sa Shopee, parang ano siya, hit or miss talaga siya. Hindi mo alam kung magmumukha ba siyang shala sa personal or parang cheap yung pagka-leather. So, this one is a safe option. Minsan din kasi, diba, pag bumibili tayo ng mga animal printed na bags, parang sometimes they look tacky and sometimes they look loud. Pero this one, I feel like na-toned down yung pagka-loud niya because of the color. Kasi ang ganda ng pagka-blue nito. It's very calm looking and ang ganda ng shade ng blue. Parang ang chill niya tingnan. Meron siyang lining. And madami ka ring malalagay sa loob. And then the strap is also very thick. So the next bag that I have here is one of my favorites kasi it looks very fancy. Ganda na itsura ng black, white, and gold together. Yan, here's what it looks like up close. Isa to sa pinakamaliit kong bag, pero madami pa rin naman ako nalalagay dito. Yung mga usual na dinatala ko, like alcohol, phone, wallet, kasya naman siya dito. So, hindi ito yung parang small bag na wala ng sense. Yan, gusto ko yung madami siyang metal, pero hindi siya nagmukhang tacky. Then, here's what it looks like inside. Wala siyang mga pockets, but honestly, okay lang. Gusto ko rin yung parang black lining niya kasi it adds detail to the bag. Super love this bag. This is also one of my favorites. And now, we are down to the last bag that I have for this haul. It's this beautiful sling. Tama ba? Sling bag right here. And the reason why I picked this up is because it reminded me a bit of the Orson Aries tote bags. Pero, ano siya, parang pa-leather style. Tingin ko dahil sa shape niya. Kasi diba yung sa Orson Aries pa round. So, itong bag na to, round siya, pero yung flap niya is square. So, ayun. Nagustuhan ko lang yung detail na yun na parang ang dami namang shape, kahit dalawa lang. Yan, super nice ng material nito. I think this is the most expensive bag na finiture ko dito sa haul na to. Tingin ko lagpas siya ng konti ng 500 pesos. Pero para sa akin, worth it tong bag na to. And it's also pretty spacious inside. Meron din siyang pocket. And this one, hindi siya ganun kahaba. Super sakto lang ng sling neto. Honestly, the reason why I got this is because puro kasi ako handbag. Merong mga days na ayoko mag-handbag. Tapos parang, alam mo yung gusto ko yung length and yung laki ng tote bag, pero ayoko ng fabric yung tela niya. Ayoko ng parang canvas material. So that's the reason why I got this. Kasi parang siyang tote bag na handbag. Gets niyo ba yun? Hindi ko alam kung tama yung pag-explain ko. I think I just needed a bigger bag. So anyway, this is the last bag that I have for this haul. So basically, we ended with a favorite, kahit na jumble tayo kanina. And that's it for this video. Medyo gabi na. Nakita niyo yung likod natin. Naging madilim. I'm finally done filming today's video. I hope that you guys enjoyed. So as usual, all of the links ng mga bags, ilalagay ko sila sa description box. And alam ko sa Shopee minsan parang may lumilitaw na mas mura pala. So hanapin ko yung cheapest listing for the bags for you guys. And ayun, that's it. Ginabi na tayo. Nahulas na ako. Hope that you guys enjoyed today's video. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching. And I will see you guys next time. Bye! Bye! Bye!